Yeah, thank you. Welcome to this short video tutorial on how to use the EMPAC online system. So when you log in, this is how your interface will look like. Now the fees section, your fees will show here. So right now you are in a free grace period where from tomorrow now your fee will be here. Then when you have a pending fee that is due, you will not be able to access the other features of the system. So if you have not paid your fee, please try to pay so that you can access all the features. Now, a critical feature is the online course. So all the courses that are related to you that are free will be found here, but those that are not related to you will not be found here. If they are paid and they are related to what you are doing here, then you can have access to it as well. So this is the lesson. So like the class you are having tomorrow, the video is already here. So every time you have class, you see the video tutorials here. So this lesson have the video tutorial for your class. Yeah, here we go. Here is it. So this video is Academy. This is forward. Every system you can go backwards as well. So you watch this video tutorial. This section, there will be section. So this is lesson 1 already added. The subsequent lesson, some other colleagues. So when you take some other parts, the course section, there are lessons at that section. So you'll be the one you see that the lessons will be updated here, and this video can be here. We've had to be here all the time for you to have access to. Now you want to learn another aspect is the timetable. So you have some timetable here. So this week you have class tomorrow, Friday, and then you have it on Saturday as well, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. That is what is here. So there is no class for you this week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Only Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You don't have any class as well. So that is also another interesting feature. Now some people send message about the homework. So this is the homework section. When you get a notification you have a homework, this is the homework section. So when you click on this, for instance, you can submit your homework there. You can submit a note and then upload it in the document. So upload it in the document here. So once you click this, you choose the document and then upload and you save. That means you submitted like that. So once you do this, you see this section showing complete. Or if you want to view the homework, so first of all, when you see homework, you click on these 3 buttons, this 3 dash, and then you view the homework. So this is the homework that is given to you, the notification you have. This is the homework. So you do this homework and then you submit it by 4th April 2022. This is the deadline that you need to submit it. If you don't submit it, it will be missing here. So you click here, write some notes, and then you upload the homework and submit. Or better still, you can send it to the email given here. So what you do, send to the email at the same time, submit it here so that you can get used to the system. So that's it. So the rest of the features are also like that. So when you go to any section, try to explore these small buttons behind so that you can see the feature. You get used to the system. So the online exam and the download center will add the syllabus and the other course material like the slides we are using and code that you can download. If there are other resources needed for you to download, like the templates we'll be using for the blogs we'll be creating and co, they will be in the download center. That when you go there you can find them to download. So that is all. So this is if this is a download. Once you click on it, it should download, but this one is not needed for you now. So that's all you need for now. So you use the online exam section as well. So when the exams are here too, you see them and then you use them. So if it's exam or quiz, you have them here. So basically that is what I want to show you in this video. So tomorrow class you have, it is here, then you watch. So the next day,
hello,
a lesson,
here we go. Welcome to
that. When you come, you click on that lesson and you watch
hello
it and
here
so
we go.
We'll send you notification via text message as well. So by with a text message, we'll do it 1 or 2 or 3 times. By the subsequent times, you know that Saturdays you have class, Sundays, Fridays you have class. If you miss them,
hello,
then you know what
here we
so
go. Welcome to
this is the end of
Emperor's
this
Academy
tutorial.
This is your
just to
first
introduce you to the platform and how you can
class.
start your studies tomorrow. Thank you very much.